Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. The other day I was flipping through just scrolling through YouTube, and I came across a video, and I'm not sure if it's I don't know, it's macrame, I don't know what it is. But somebody was using some paracord to make hearts, and I thought, oh my gosh, how cute is that? So I bought some paracord from Hobby Lobby, and this one was only $2.99, which is very, very reasonable for the amount that you get, I think. But I don't know anything about this, so I could be wrong. And then I also bought some pink. So I bought these colors, and I've only played with the pink, but I can't wait to play with the red. I'm just trying to get the technique down, and because this is something I have never done before. But I followed a video, and let me show you what I made with that video. Let me show you the very first one that I made, because I made several. Okay, so I made a couple of hearts, and oh, that's hard to see. I made a couple of hearts, and there is my pink one, guys. Oh my gosh, I was so pleased with myself because it wasn't too bad. And I'll link the video in the description box, but I made this heart. We can use it as a dangle, as a key ring, a key charm or whatever. But this was my first one, and not too bad, guys. Not too bad. And it holds its shape, of course, unless you're gonna do that to it, but it holds its shape pretty good, and I was so darn pleased with myself. Now what I did try to do was add a bead right here to the top, but I couldn't because the holes are just I can't see the hole on this one. There it goes. The holes are just way too small. So today I am going to crack out the old man's drill. I have my own, but it's not charged, and his is always charged. And I am going to drill a hole bigger, or drill the hole bigger, so I can put a bead on the top. I may even put a dangle at the bottom. Not sure, but the bead for sure. And so I made 3 of them, and it kept getting a little bit easier and a little bit easier until until I was able to make it without so much frustration. But yeah, guys, oh my gosh, and it was actually a little relaxing once I started to get the hang of it. So I think I will use these as dangles, or just put them in my storage bin for next year. I don't know. I mean, we use hearts, for everything. So there we go, guys. I just thought that was so neat, and it is made out of the paracord, and I love how they turned out. This one is a little tighter. That's why the size is a little bit smaller. I made it a little bit tighter, and I kind of like that one because it holds its shape a little bit better. Like I said, I mean, unless you're going to wad it up, but as soon as you open it back up, it's good. All right, guys, just thought I'd come on really quickly and share my heart, and thanks a lot for watching, guys.